Hello guys, today we are making mayonnaise, the homemade mayonnaise. Guys, you don't have to buy mayonnaise anymore. Just stay tuned and let's go. We have our 4 ingredients: lemon, eggs, salt, and cooking oil. Let's squeeze the lemon first. Yeah, so after squeezing the lemon, we are going to sieve it in a sieve. That was a mistake, sorry about that. Into the blender, we are going to add just 1 egg. We're using just 1 egg. Then add the salt, the cooking oil, and some lemon juice. I really do not have measurement for this, but just do it as the spirit leads, but you have to be very careful as well. I added the lemon according to my preference. I really don't want it to be too harsh. Then you continue blending. While you are blending, you continuously add your ingredients bit by bit. Bit by bit. Yes, that's why you should use a blender that has hole at the top, so that you'll be able to add those things without stopping the blending process. You can use a food processor if you have one. I mean, that's the most suitable. Continue blending and add the ingredients bit by bit. The blending should take like 10 minutes. Here we go. You can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. It's all the things you never show. Now guys, our mayonnaise is ready. Just look at that. Look at the consistency. Look at the texture. It's really nice. You can try this at home and let me know after. Thank you for watching guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye.